Hello, my name is Monica Vaca. I'm 31 years old. I'm grade 135. I'm in the third period of psychology. I live in Bogota. I don't usually go out of my city for economic, for time, for work, for anything else. But the last years visited the Pereira with my son, and the weather is warm. We like it a lot, although only was 3 days. We want to park very quiet with the farm animals and a lake. It is a name La Pradera. We were there all day. First, we were in the pool. Then we feed some animals and we was ride a horse. Up next day, we visited to some relatives of my husband who gave us a tour for city centers and the surroundings. It is a beautiful city. When we were in the house, always we go in a pool. My son did it wonder. My son didn't want to go back to Bogota, but finally I managed to convince him with the promise to return. Thanks.